Welcome back to my channel Little Crafties. So someone had requested me to make Harry Potter themed journal diary from a long time. So today I am making it. So I have taken some papers from my old notebook and I have cut them into size, and I'll be making cover of this brown paper. You can take any color paper you like, and here is molded. So we'll be making a ball out of it. You can read the instruction at the back of it, and I'm using some talcum powder so that the clay doesn't stick to my hands. And you only take the amount of clay you need, and rest you can keep them wrapped nicely in a dark place. So I am keeping it like this. So I am coloring paper with red, dark red and brown color, as I didn't like the shade of it, like it was quite plain and I wanted some dimension to it. So I have colored it like this, and now I am making some marks like a stitched pattern with a marker, or you can take a sketch pen, and with the same pen I am making the design for the Quidditch ball. You know, the game ball they had, the golden ball. So I am making its wings, and now mark the corners, and now write Harry Potter in the vintage style. I tried my best to make it that way. First I had dried it with pencil, and now I am tracing it with the pen. I am coloring inside of the outline borders of the Harry Potter, and here is our ball is completely dried now, and I am making a thin rope kind of thing to like add at the sides of it. So first I am sticking it with Fevicol, and now I'll make some design on it. Like this, you can use any round object. I'm using this scoring tool to make the designs on it. You can use any stick kind of thing to make, and with the rest one I'm just making a flat disc. You can use it later, color it down and make something out of it. And the inside papers are completely dried now, so I'm sticking it to the cover and let it dry for some time. And I'm coloring it with brown color and golden color. You can take any colors of your choice, but I think this one looks the best. Don't color directly, let it dry first all, and the ball with golden color. So here it is, and stick the first and the last page to the cover so that the page don't come out later when you use it. And here it is, our diary is ready. I think it looks quite vintage and pretty, as just as I wanted it. Really gorgeous. I just loved it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and learned something new today. So don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.